Good morning to all. My name is Paridhi Srivastav. Today I will tell you about groundwater and important source of water. So let's start.
So, what is groundwater? The answer is the surface of earth from where water is formed is called groundwater. Groundwater meaning in Hindi is जमीन से निकला हुआ पानी. For example, hand pump. If we will push the pump, the water level come up because of pushing. Like this only deep well also do. When we will put a bucket inside, we will push it to become up. And do you know, the deep well never be empty. Now let's move further. What are these sources of water? There are two sources of water. First, surface water. Second, groundwater. We have discussed about groundwater. Now, what is surface water? The water we get from tap, shower, or pipe is called surface water. Its Hindi meaning is ऊपर का पानी. Now, what is water table? The upper level of groundwater is called water table. Means groundwater upper level is water table. Now the another topic is depletion of water table. Meaning groundwater depletion. Depletion of water table, the gradual and continuous lowering of water is known as depletion of water table. Means the lowering of water is groundwater depletion. Now let's learn some factors which deplete the water table at a place and make it go down are as follows. First is increase in population. As you all know that the population is increasing day by day. To meet the needs of every increasing human population, we need more houses, more offices, and more school for being built. These construction activities need a supply of water. For then, use borings are made to reach the water table and to draw more and more groundwater. This causes depletion of water table. Next, increase in industries. As you all know, in this century everywhere is industries, so they also need in a huge quantity of water called to the work from the groundwater to the depletion of water table. Third is increase in agriculture. With the increase in population, the demand of food is also increasing. They also need lots of water for good crops. Nowadays farmers use large quantities of groundwater by digging deep tubes. This also result in depletion of water table. Fourth, deforestation. Cutting down a large number of trees at a place is called deforestation. The highest amount of rainfall in the world is Meghalaya, which faces a shortage of water because rain runs off fast down the forest mountain slopes. V is decrease in the effective area of sewage of water. We have already discussed that increasing population creates more demands about food, construction of houses, shops, offices, road, etc. The cemented floor does not allow water to seep in the ground easily. This also results in the depletion of water tables. Sixth is scanty rainfall. Means ज़मीन सूखी पड़ जाना. In that situation, for groundwater is drawn out by the people for various purposes that do not get replaced by rainfall. This result in depletion of water table. So I have tell you about depletion of water.